Here I got another Amazon package, so let's open it. I'm not gonna spoil this. Got the shipping label off. I paid like $100 for this. So let's move on. I got a good deal on it too though. So I got like $30, almost $30 off of it. It's pretty expensive. The Samsung 980 Pro. Box feels heavy. I believe the SSD's in there. It's definitely sealed, so oh yeah, it is definitely in there. It is all like genuinely sealed up. But I'm gonna open up anyways. I wanna surprise, see what it looks like. It looks cool. There's nothing wrong with buying expensive packages off of Amazon. I like buying off of Amazon. It's more convenient than buying it in person. So, this is smaller than I thought it would be. It's very, very nice. It's the Gen 4 SSD, 2 terabytes. I got a really good deal on this. The Gen 5 is not like good yet. They don't have Samsung solid state drives yet. And plus, I could store a lot just on this little solid state drive. It's very nice. I'm impressed. It looks good. It came in a well-packaged box. Good job, Samsung. This is one of my most favorite brands, just like Apple. I will always buy from reputable brands. Yeah. So yeah. Let's see what the box looks like. Show you the warranty. I doubt it will fail because it's a high quality product. It definitely will probably last like at least 4 years for me. This was released back in 2021. The Gen 3 is still okay though. But Gen 4 is best right now. Not the Gen 5. I wouldn't buy like Corsair or any other brand. I just don't trust them. Samsung is really like a reputable brand, unlike the other brands. Corsair seems good for their power supplies and stuff, but I don't know about the RAM, their SSD sticks. So I'm probably gonna get like a reliable RAM as well. I'm probably gonna get DDR5 most likely, at least 32 gigs. Yeah. Thanks for watching.